Okay, I'm going to attempt to cobble together a very basic restoration and circuit bend of the CASIO SK-1 keyboard. I'm a little bit into this, and I've done a tutorial on how to replace broken keys, which is a really common thing with these guys. But the first step as far as the electronics goes is, I assume if you are circuit bending this sucker, you are wanting to get a line out jack and not just play it through the speaker. If you want to play it through the speaker, disregard this. But this space where the speaker goes is kind of the only vacant, empty space where you can insert a panel with switches and all the buttons and nozzles that make it fun and bendable. Or you can run a I've seen really, really complex deluxe bends on these things where they have a multi-pin out cable going to an auxiliary box that has like mega options for circuit bending. But this is like a sort of baby tutorial for how to bend it and keep it all in this instrument. So first thing you're going to want to do is remove the speaker and replace it with a 1/4 inch output jack, mono. So these wires here, there's one red and one white, and they were going to the speaker, red going to plus, white going to minus. And I've already done this here, but you're going to want to drop that speaker output, which is very hot enough to drive a speaker. You're going to want to dump that voltage down a little bit so you're not blowing out a 1/4 inch line output level. And you're going to do that with 2 resistors. 1K resistor is this guy here. 1K is going from the tip to the shield, and a 10K resistor, which is this one here. They are twisted together, the 10K and the 1K, they're twisted together on this end, and they are going to the tab on your jack that connects to the tip. And that 10K resistor gets connected to the red wire, which goes back here. The white wire going to the grounding or shield. It's all connected to the shield of this 1/4 inch here. That's getting connected to the shield tab, and that is the 1K resistor going back across to the tip. So that dumps your volume or your voltage down from speaker level to line level. And the next thing we're going to do is work on the bending aspects, and I'm going to turn the camera off and get back to it. But basically, all the bending happens, here's the wide shot, all the bending happens in this area. And the way I've always done it is I start with this pin and just kind of experiment with shorting from this pin to various other pins on the, this is 3 chips. 1, 2, 3 chips here. And that'll kind of give you almost every combination. So we're going to, in the next part of this video, we're going to start experimenting with shorting this pin to different points here and deciding what's the most musically interesting, and then soldering wires there and creating switches and buttons for that.